Hey, welcome back to English Word Hub. We're diving into some powerful new words that can instantly elevate your English. These words are not just common but essential for expressing yourself clearly and effectively. Probably, likely to happen or be true. Example, it will probably rain this evening. Certainly, without any doubt, surely. Example, I will certainly call you tomorrow. Literally, exactly as stated, without exaggeration. Example, he was literally jumping with joy. Actually, in fact, truly. Example, I actually forgot to bring my wallet. Eventually, in the end, especially after some time or effort. Example, he eventually completed the marathon. Possibly, might happen or be true, but not certain. Example, we might possibly arrive late to the event. Hopefully, with hope or optimism. Example, hopefully, the results will be positive. Finally, at the end of a period of time or series of events. Example, she finally finished her assignment. Practically, almost or nearly, in a realistic sense. Example, the room was practically empty. Apparently, as far as one knows or can see. Seemingly. Example, apparently, they already left the meeting. Clearly, meaning, in a way that is easy to understand or free from confusion. Example, he explained the concept so clearly that everyone understood it immediately. Happily, meaning, in a cheerful or contented way, showing or feeling joy. Example, they happily agreed to help with the project. Quietly, meaning, in a way that does not produce much noise, calmly or without disruption. Example, she entered the room quietly to avoid waking the baby. Rarely, meaning, not often, infrequently. Example, I rarely eat fast food because I prefer cooking at home. Gently, meaning, in a soft, careful, or tender way, without force or harshness. Example, he placed the fragile vase gently on the table. Simply, meaning, in a straightforward or plain manner, without complication. Example, the instructions were written simply so that everyone could understand them. Entirely, meaning, completely or fully, without exceptions. Example, the plan was entirely dependent on good weather. Start using them in your conversations to sound more fluent and confident. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your favorite word in the comments below. See you in the next video.